Smile make your bitch disappear. She rubbing my cup with her tears. Keeping it fresh like it's baking soda. Say hot to the cities, I'm flying over. Impressive ain't even the word. The boss in this shit and you taking notice.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today, bitch, I have an extremely special video because today I am showing you guys my new Mercedes-Benz. Oh my fucking god, you guys, I cannot believe that I am actually doing this right now. I'm so fucking proud of myself. I stayed dedicated. I was manifesting it for a while now, and it finally happened. My family's so like happy for me. You guys are so happy for me, and that means the world to me because I don't know, it just feels really good to know that you guys always support me and have my motherfucking back. Y'all are some real ass alien babies, so shout out to you guys and much love as always. So yes, you guys, today I'm gonna be giving y'all a little tour of my little schmeckshy little car. So I also have some vlog footage that I took of me when I got approved for the car and all that good. So yes, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's go ahead and get into it, bitch.
You like it?
I love it. What the fuck, dude? I feel cool as fuck.
Vroom, speed up.
All right, now congratulations. We got a deal. Congratulations. Thank you for your business.
As well, for that catering business, it just.
Dude, I'm so excited. I'm finally getting the fucking car after 7 hours. I don't know how the fuck I was able to like manage to sit through that shit, but she's finally coming.
Yes!
Her name is Alien Baby.
Thank you, Simon. Yes.
Oh my god. It's finally mine. I'm so excited.
Yes. And the bow matches your nails.
And I'm like,
Yes.
big girl tings,
True.
businesswoman, boss baby. I started to look for a car on Tuesday, and I went to the Mercedes dealer in Riverside, my hometown. I wanted my mom to come with me car shopping, of course, because that's my main. So I brought her along and we went to the Mercedes dealer in Riverside. And of course, they were trying to fucking charge me an arm and a leg. If you guys are about to go get a new car, used, new, whatever the fuck, like be careful because those people are fucking sneaky. They try to charge you like a fuck ton. So I would recommend going to a couple dealers before you make your final decision and just ask around for pricing because sometimes some dealers be fucking you over and asking for like a 10K fucking down payment. That's what they were literally asking me for at the Riverside dealer, and I was like, bitch, I'm fucking out. The fuck? Like, and they were like, well, you have the money for it, so like, why would you not? And I was like, okay, but I'm not gonna be spending money a lo pendejo. Like, you got me fucked up, bitch. The original car that I was looking at was called the, I believe, SL450, and that shit was fucking beautiful. Let me just say that right off the bat. It was amazing. It was way fucking bigger than the car that I have now. So they were trying to charge me a fuck ton for the car payments, and I was like, bitch, no fucking thank you. Like, you're tripping. So this little hair is bugging me, sorry you guys. Me and my mom took our asses to another dealer and we were just kind of looking around. I looked at the Cadillacs and I really didn't like them, and plus the girl that was helping me was a fucking bitch. She was so rude. I couldn't believe it. I was just like, okay, you know what? I'm gonna take my little ass out of here and not even say shit. So that's what I did. And then I decided to call it a day because I was like, you know what, I'm already stressed out and I don't think I'm gonna get my car today. To be honest, I didn't really know what the fuck I wanted. Like, I kind of just went in with an open mind. I didn't know if I wanted a big car, like SUV, or like a sedan, or like a truck. I had no idea. I'm just gonna sleep it off, and then tomorrow I will go to another dealer. On Wednesday, I went to the dealer in Yorba Linda, and bitch, when I tell you that nobody fucking helped us. Nobody fucking helped me, like, at all. Me or my mom or Paola, because Paola came along with. That shit was so fucking scandalous. Like, we got there, I was done up and everything, I looked cute, whatever. Like, obviously, if I'm going to the dealer, it's because I'm, you know, interested in getting a car. So I thought it was pretty fucking rude that nobody came to, like, even say hello to me or my mom or Paola. Like, none of us. Normally, like, car salespeople are all over your dick, you know? So I was just like, okay, you know what, whatever. So I kind of brushed it off a bit, and then I went to the opposite end of the dealer to see the rest of the cars that was in like a separate building. And then we stepped in there and nobody was fucking helping us. There was people in their office literally just like watching us, and I think like nobody was there. And even the janitor fucking out of nowhere decided to like lock the door. I just kind of heard like somebody say something, but I didn't know what the fuck they were saying. And I was like, what? And I asked my mom, I was like, what did they say? Like, what did they say? And then she pointed, and the guy was like waving some shit at us, and he was just like, you know, pointing to the side. And I was like, what? Like, what? And then the janitor guy was like, oh, like, we're locking the doors, so like you guys need to get out. And we were like, what the fuck? Are you serious? So we were just like, okay. It was so fucking rude. And I kind of got discouraged from wanting to continue car shopping because, bitch, what the fuck? You got me fucked up. Like, do you not want my coin? So then I went to Mercedes-Benz of Ontario. The guy that was helping me out, his name was Simon, by the way. If you guys hit up that Mercedes-Benz, I totally recommend him because he hella was super helpful and super nice and super respectful. So shout out to him because he's the one that convinced me to get my little baby here. I don't know what to name her yet, so if you guys want to help me pick a name, you guys can leave it in the comment section down below, bitch. Y'all already know. He was like, you know what? Like, honestly, he was like, I'm gonna be honest with you, and I don't want you to like take offense to this. He was like, I don't see you driving an SL450 because it's really big. Like, it's kind of for a guy that's going through like a midlife crisis or some shit. And he was like, and you're clearly not a guy and you're not old. So I was like, but you know, like, I want a big boy. Like, I don't want anything small. And he was like, let me just show you this other like version of the one that you want, but it's smaller. And I was like, okay, cool. So then he introduced me to my baby, which is the SLC 300. So this is the smaller version of the SL, and everything's the same pretty much, except for the fact that it's smaller. So I took it for a test drive and I was like, oh my god, I fucking love it. And the best part of it all, like the main reason why I wanted the SL450 was because this shit is a hardtop convertible. It looks like a regular car, but then obviously you can like put it down and it's a convertible. So it's super dope. I love this model so fucking much. I think I should just like show you guys the inside already because I keep talking and I haven't even showed you guys the car. This is the inside. I decided at the very last minute that I was gonna go ahead and do the I believe this is called saddle brown, and this is leather, and it's so fucking beautiful. Like, look at that. Wow, the other one was black, and the mirrors, these mirrors were also black, but I don't know, I feel like all white with the brown interior really made it look that much more bougie. So I was like, bitch, that has my name all over it. This is what the passenger seat looks like. I have driven a couple times with the top down, and it's so fucking dope. Like, oh my god, it's so amazing. It's like a whole different experience when it's down. I swear, you guys, it literally feels like a spaceship. This car literally is my little spaceship. It's my little UFO. It's so dope in here though. Like, I love it. This is the screen that comes here. My fucking fingerprints are right there because my dumbass thought it was touch screen, but it's not. You actually use this little button here to control it. This is the little cigarette ashtray thing or whatever. To park this car, you literally only push this button, and then you like to drive, you literally just push this back, or to reverse, you push it forward. And then this is a push to start, and it can also be like a regular key car type, like, you know, you like stick it in and you twist it. I decided that I wanted it to be push to start because y'all already know
it's push to fucking start. A year ago, 4 months ago, I was broke as fuck.
Yes. 98 miles. Time, operators, manual, consumption. I don't know what the fuck any of that shit means, but it's there. System settings. You can fix all of that, and then you can plug in your phone, and it does like CarPlay shit, and you can use your navigation, you can use Waze, you can use Pandora, you can do Apple Music. You can literally control all of it right here. Imagínate que estás haciendo cuclilla. Tan tan pa que te sientes en la silla. Yo sé que te gusta y hace copilla. I feel so fucking blessed to be able to be driving this fucking badass, sexy ass car. It's taken a lot of hard work, and of course I cannot thank you guys enough for supporting me and always having my back, because if it weren't for you guys, I wouldn't be able to be whipping it in this thing or making this video right now. So thank you guys so much for always watching me, always supporting me, always showing me love. I love you guys so much. I love my alien babies more than anything in the world. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please be sure to leave a like. Let me know what we should name my new baby girl. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Smoking on Doja, I play with a kid. Who do it better? He lying, you tripping. Bitches look pretty, he riding my business. People praise the things he say, cut up so much. I should be my